You all ready to make mashed potatoes? I bet you are. Alright then, let's go! First you want to start by adding 4 or 3 chopped potatoes into quarters into a boiling pot. Add 2 items. First you're going to want to add 2 chicken bouillon cubes that look like this. Then 1 or 2 tablespoons of minced onions that have been dried. Let it boil. Steam all the juices. You've probably seen my Bustine video, so basically cook it until it's tender. Then we can go straight for the mashing. Once finished boiling and you drain it, you add it back to the pot, add half a stick of butter, and a half a cup of milk or sour cream. Mash accordingly until you get the proper consistency with no lumps. And then you salt and pepper and continue your mashing until it's all smooth. Then, as the final seasoning, you add a few shakes of celery salt, onion salt, and garlic salt. And after you finish that, you'll have a perfect side to go with steaks and various other types of meat that you're liable to cook. But wait, that's not where the story of these spuds ends here. Tune in next time for the next video where we combine this and I show you how to make a beef stew to make shepherd's pie.